This is a used 2007 Mercury Mountaineer, powered by all-wheel drive, a 4-liter, 6-cylinder engine, and a 5-speed automatic transmission. The features include leather seats, heated seats, Sirius XM satellite radio, digital audio input, steering wheel controls, memory seats, a premium sound system, dual temperature controls, automatic climate control, and adjustable tilt steering wheel. Safety was made a priority with these features: curtain head airbags, side airbags, independent suspension, traction control, stability control, a passenger airbag, low tire pressure warning, front ventilated disc brakes, anti-lock brakes. Rest easy knowing this vehicle comes with a Carfax Vehicle History Report from Carfax, the most trusted provider of vehicle history information. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today.